Are you looking for the top 5 portable power stations you need before buying a portable power station? There's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, APC BE600M1 Backup. First up, we have the APC BE600M1 Uninterruptible Power Supply. This compact device caught my eye because of its solid reputation for reliability, and it's priced reasonably for what it offers. If you want to ensure your computer and Wi-Fi stay up during outages, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides 23 minutes of runtime at a 100-watt load, which is crucial if you're in the middle of an important task and the power goes out. The 7 outlets, 5 with battery backup and 2 surge only, mean you can protect multiple devices at once. Plus, the built-in USB port allows you to keep your phone charged even when the lights go out. That peace of mind is priceless when you're working from home or just need to stay connected. Now, some users have complained about the battery charge time, which takes about 10 hours. Here's the thing though, if you're using it as a backup, you just need to ensure it's charged beforehand. It's really not a deal breaker for most people who are looking for reliable surge protection. This is perfect for you if you work from home or have important electronics that need protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely portable for camping trips. At this price point, it's a solid investment for anyone prioritizing device protection.
Product number 2, CyberPower EC850 LCD. Next, we have the CyberPower EC850 LCD. What caught my attention here is its eco mode, which is not something you see in every power station, and it's affordable for what you get. If you're concerned about energy efficiency while still protecting your devices, this one should be on your radar. This model features 850 VA/510 watt output and 12 outlets, which includes 6 that provide both battery backup and surge protection. The Eco mode automatically switches off power to peripherals when your computer is in sleep mode, reducing energy waste. That's pretty handy if you want to cut down on your electricity bill while keeping your devices safe. Plus, the multifunction LCD panel gives you real-time data on battery health, so you can always stay informed. Now, some folks say it's a bit bulky, and they wish it was more compact. But honestly, those extra outlets and features make it worth the space it takes up. If you really need to power multiple devices, you'll appreciate the size. This is perfect for you if you have a home office setup with multiple devices. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra compact for travel. For the features, it's a good deal.
Product number 3, Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2. Moving on, the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 grabbed my attention with its impressive power output and fast recharging capabilities. Priced a bit higher, it's definitely an investment, but if you need serious power for camping or emergency backup, this is worth a serious look. This portable power station offers 2000 W output and can charge 10 devices simultaneously. What really stands out is its ability to fully recharge in just 49 minutes, thanks to Anker's HyperFlash technology. That means less waiting around and more time enjoying your outdoor adventures or ensuring you have power when you need it. It's also designed to last through years of daily use, with the battery retaining at least 80% capacity after 4,000 cycles. Now, some people mentioned the weight. At nearly 25 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but I'll be real with you, the power and features you get here really offset that. It's still portable enough for most uses, especially if you're not hiking with it. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful backup for home or outdoor use. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for short trips. It's a solid value considering the performance. Product number 4, Anker Solix C2000 Gen 2. Next up is the Anker Solix C2000 Gen 2, which is an upgrade from the previous model. This one stood out because of its incredible peak power and charging options. It's priced higher than the C1000, but if you need maximum output, this is worth considering. With a 2400 watt rated and 4000 watt peak output, this power station can handle multiple appliances, including RV air conditioners. It also has an expandable capacity of up to 4 kilowatt hours, which is fantastic for longer trips or extended outages. The 6 different ways to recharge, including rapid car charging, makes it versatile for any situation.
Plus, it's 25% lighter than similar products, which is a nice bonus for portability. However, some users have pointed out that the price might be a bit steep for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you need that level of power for camping or home backup, the investment pays off in reliability and versatility. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something to power larger appliances or extended outings. Skip this if you only need a backup for small devices. Given its features, it's a strong contender.
Product number 5, Ego Power Plus Inverter. Finally, we have the Ego Power Plus Portable Inverter. This caught my eye because of its compact size and versatility, and it's priced affordably for what it offers. If you want something lightweight for home use or emergencies, this is worth checking out. The 180-watt inverter generates pure sine wave power, which is safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and phones. It has a 120-volt outlet and a 100-watt USB-C port, so you can power a range of devices. The integrated LED spotlight is a great touch for power outages, providing ambient lighting when you need it most. At just 1.5 pounds, it's super easy to transport. Some users mentioned that it locks a higher wattage for larger devices, but honestly, if you're just looking to keep your smaller electronics running, this is a great option. It's not meant for heavy-duty tasks, but it excels in its niche. This is perfect for you if you need a backup for small electronics at home or on the go. Skip this one if you're looking to power larger appliances. For the price, it delivers great value.
So there you have it, 5 fantastic portable power stations. Whether you need something for home backup, camping, or just to keep your devices safe during outages, there's an option for everyone here. Just think about your specific needs and choose the one that fits best.